just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, baby. But your body like the Cali, push your pussy, I just gotta play.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's just a quick little get ready with me on how I styled this wig. I have reviewed this wig before. I'll make sure I put that in the description box below, as well as a little card up here, so you guys can check out that video as well. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you aren't new, what's up? You already know what it is. I'm back again with another video. So the wig is from Main Concept. I'm going to be doing I haven't styled it before. I was sitting here playing with it and I had put it on because I was trying to decide which wig I was going to wear. And I decided on this one. I'm going out to eat with my best friend. And I was like, you know, why don't I do a little quick get ready with me? I've already done my makeup, unfortunately. But this makeup has been on since like, I want to say noon. And it's like 4 or 5 now, which is why my face is looking a little oily, but I'm gonna fix that in the video too, so y'all see that. I'm gonna do a quick little hair tutorial. So this wig isn't a lace front or anything like that. It's basically, what do you call that? It's not a frontal, so I think it's called I also got to do my lipstick and powder my face because I'm looking oily and I've eaten, and you know, it's just been on for a minute. So I wasn't gonna take off the whole face because my skin looks nice how I did my foundation today, so I don't want to take it off. Yeah, this doesn't have any parting to it. It's basically starts with the tracks like right here. So I'm just going to style it into something cute so I can wear it down. I never really wear super wavy hair like that. I'm going to bring it around so y'all can see exactly how wavy it is. It's really curly, wavy hair. So I was like, let's go with that today. Since my outfit has blue and black in it, my hair is going to be basically the same, similar. So let's get with this little video. I'm just comb this out right here because it's tangled. Do y'all like that 69 song with Nicki Minaj? What's it called? Fifi? It's stuck in my head. I like that song. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna pull it back like this. I'm gonna take this piece out. We're just gonna do like some braid backs. And no, I have not glued the wig down yet. We're gonna do that after I style it. Okay, so I'm starting on this side now. Well, I've already started it, obviously. But just braiding this one down. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm not trying to make it look perfect. I want it to just be like out of my face. Okay, so I didn't braid it all the way down. Both of them have like a stopping point where there's still some hair left out. Now I'm contemplating on if I'm going to put 2 braids right here in the front. I might do that, but I'm gonna cut the baby hairs first. All right, so I've pulled out a bunch of hair from the front. I actually had to take that braid loose because I needed to get my pieces out. So I pulled out just a few strands, and I'm just gonna cut them because this is gonna be the baby hair in the front. Since this wig doesn't have already natural made baby hairs, I have to create my own. So we have some hair right here in the front now. I'm gonna work on the side. All right, we got some right here. We're gonna cut this, make it a little bit shorter. Same right here. Oh, hair's gone. Okay, so I finished cutting the baby hairs and I've re-braided the piece that I had to take loose. So now I'm gonna move on to the 4th. The other 2 braids, I'm gonna do 4 of them. You guys are like, I don't need to see this because I know you know how to braid, or whatever you call this, plaiting. My family calls this plaiting. Is that the right word? Plait your hair. We have our 4 braids and we're done. Don't I look cute, y'all? No, I'm kidding. So what I'm going to do is bring both of the braids around. I'm going to end up just bobby pinning them to the back. So it's gonna be pulled back like this. Of course it's gonna look better than this, but you know. First I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. So I'm gonna pull this back just a little bit. We're going to use some Mocha de Gorilla Snot gel, hair gel. And this stuff works, y'all, it works. I'm going to take a little bit of the, I'm gonna take some of the gel. Just gonna put it right here on the front. I really want to make sure I get it over here because I want those flaps on this side to be stuck. You know what I'm saying? I don't want them to move at all. We're just gonna place the gel here. This is how I usually do my wigs if I'm about to wear them out for a minute. I never do this on my reviews because most of the time I review it and then take it off because I don't be going nowhere. But today we gonna make sure this stuff is staying. It ain't going nowhere. Make sure it's laid and slayed. So I'm gonna let that dry down for a few seconds. I like it to get a little tacky. I have my fan on too, so that helps it dry down a lot faster. I usually only do it for a few seconds. All right, now we're going to pull the wig up. I'm really pushing down on it because I do not want this thing to budge, okay? See these flaps over here? We want that to be stuck. Just a little bit more right here on the side where the flap isn't. Add a little glue and then really push that part down. Okay, so I have my 2 bobby pins. I just laid down the hair in the front and then I put the 2 braids to the back with a bobby pin. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So I made sure the hair was like laid flat, of course. Take one piece back and then we're gonna take the other one back. So both pieces are pulled back like so. And then taking my bobby pin, like so. So now we have both pieces pulled back. So it's like a pulled back do, but it's not super clean and neat. It's like 2 braids, messy braids pulled back. Now I have to move on to the hair and lay down these baby hairs that I cut and created. So I'm going to take my little toothbrush, well, you know, edge brush that needs to be cleaned, honestly. And I'm going to pull down the pieces of the hair like this. Don't worry, it's not done. And then we're going to take the comb part and just make sure that they're swerved to my liking. And then because I don't want these to move or start adjusting, I'm going to tie them down. How does it look, guys? We have some styled hair and it looks cute. I love how this came out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down now until I get ready to go, so that way it'll be molded and stay in place. And then I'll be back once I get my outfit and stuff together. So be right back. I am going to take 3 powders to just, you know, mattify my face back up before it starts getting too oily. So I'm going to use the Milani Translucent Medium to Deep powder. And I'm going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth in Deep. And my good old CoverGirl Queen to just rebronze my face. So first I'm going to go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth. Mattifying everything. My brows get oily too, y'all. Then I'm going to go into my Milani Translucent Medium to Deep. For this, I'm getting on my smile lines. This color is more so closer to my skin tone. I'm just getting the rest of my face. And then I'm going to go into my bronzer. I kind of crumbled it all up. Kind of see it here. because I really want to make sure I got all the product out of here, because this, I cannot find this anywhere else. So I'm using up all that I have because it's literally my favorite bronzer ever. I love this bronzer. It's boom. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide this up a little bit too. Then we're gonna go back into my brush and dust away the Milani powder. First, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome in 100 Molten Golden. And just add just a little bit of glow to the face. Nothing too extreme. You know, just enough to be shining. Go back on the nose. Because when you repowder your nose, it kind of like makes your nose highlight go away. Then I'm getting the Cupid's bow. And then we're going to get the chin. I really like the center of my face to be very glowy. Perfect. Okay, let's take this off. Ooh, 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 she's sticking. This is perfect. Look at it. I'm gonna get closer so you can see. Isn't this perfect? Laid down. Nice. Nice and styled. She cute or whatever. And then I'm going to bronze up my forehead a little bit because sometimes the bronzer goes away when you start messing with your hair. Perfect. Isn't this cute? Oh, I'm so satisfied with how this hair came out. We went from that to this. Makeup is pretty chill today, so for lips I'm just going to keep it simple. Nude lippy. So this is the NYX Lingerie lip in Teddy. I didn't even know what it was called. I feel like this is the perfect nude. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. Fortune Cookie is going to give the lips moisture and a shine, but not too much of a shine. I'm going to put my clothes on so we can get some pictures and stuff taken too. Okay, so this is how I look. This is the completed, you know, go out type of vibe I'm giving. All right, so this is the vibe I'm giving right now. With the hair, it came out so cute. How did my hair come out? What do you guys think? I'm loving it. This is my top. Let me show you the outfit. So here is the outfit. That basically ends this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was different. If you want me to do more videos like this, please let me know because I actually really enjoyed doing this. But yeah, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like it. Also, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And thank you to all my new subscribers. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. About to go out and get me some drinks. Hey. What's y'all favorite drink? Because I'm going out to get me a drink, and I think I'm going to get, well, this is my favorite drink. This is like what I always get. It's either Crown and Coke or Crown and Sprite. It's lit or Crown and Cranberry. Either way, get your Crown, get your whiskey. Crown Royal is amazing.